Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Telegram app not working or not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to repair and reset the Telegram app. To do this, go to search menu and type Telegram, and you just need to right click on it and select the app settings. In here you just need to scroll down, select the terminate option, and now select the repair and reset option guys. After getting both done, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Telegram app. To do this, go to search menu and type Telegram. Right click on the Telegram app and select uninstall, and select uninstall again. And now Telegram app is uninstalled guys. Now you just need to type store, click on open the Microsoft Store, search for Telegram, select the Telegram, and you just need to install it guys. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.